A lot of the reasons why you can't actually make good money or your life is a mess is because of your broken mindset. A lot of you guys have a very, very broken mindset. And in today's video, I'm going to basically try and fix that. And the reason why I say a lot of you guys have a broken mindset is because you can tell from your reality, right? A lot of people think that they're unlucky in life, or certain situations have happened in their life where they can't take control and everything around them is falling apart. And I say to a lot of these people, right, the reason why all of these things are happening in your life is because you wanted it that way. And a lot of these people, they turn around and say to me, like, what do you mean I want it that way? I wouldn't want, for example, I lost my job. I wouldn't want that, or I wouldn't want a low paying job, or I wouldn't want my life to be like this. And I say to them, look, the reason I'm saying you wanted it to be this way is because of your broken mindset. And a lot of you guys understand that you've got a broken mindset, but you don't do anything to change that, or you don't do anything to fix that, okay? Now, this video is going to fix that for you. I assure you, even if I can't fix it, I will improve your mindset considerably so we can change your life. Now, wherever you are in your life right now, just understand one thing, that it can change very, very quickly. I'll give you an example of myself, right? So over 12 months ago, I used to work a 9 to 5 job in the UK. In fact, I've worked several 9 to 5 jobs in the UK. I used to work in Argos. I used to work in World Duty Free. I used to work in Sky. And at the time, all these jobs are causing me a lot of stress, a lot of issues. I wasn't getting paid a lot either. So I was just working these jobs. And again, I had a broken mindset, right? So a lot of you guys are watching this video. I'm not talking from a point where I've never had a broken mindset. No, the reason I'm confident I can fix it is because I've been there. I've had a broken mindset. So around those times, yeah, my mindset was broken. I was working all these jobs. I wasn't getting paid a lot. And I was really unhappy with my situation. Now, this is where I decided to change that, okay? So when I was working all these jobs, and I was at Sky at the time, and I was just working my 9 to 5 job and feeling very low, and I was looking around me, I was watching YouTube on my phone, and I'll see all these 19, 21-year-olds, 22-year-olds, out here in Dubai making some crazy money, making money online, and just having that total freedom. That's always something I wanted, right? So when I used to see this, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to take the biggest risk of my life. And that's what I did. I decided to quit my 9 to 5 job. I moved straight to Dubai. I had no job lined up. I had no savings. I had a little bit of online income, but it wasn't enough to survive on. And now over 12 months later, I make over 6 figures a year on my online coaching business. So it just shows how quickly life can change, right? Because over a year ago, right now, I was working a 9 to 5 job. I remember sitting in my office doing what I was told, right? And a lot of you guys are in the same position right now, where you're probably working a 9 to 5 job, being told what to do, and you don't want that life anymore, right? And look, the reason why your life is the way it is because of your broken mindset. You feel like to make 3 grand, you need to work 40 hours a week for a whole month. Or you feel with your mindset that you can't actually start a business because what if you fail, right? Look, you're working a 9 to 5 job. You're already at the lowest point it can be. What risk are you really taking by starting a business? And to be honest, I would say to a lot of you guys, you don't even need to quit your job until you start making good money on your online business, because you do need some stability. So I understand that if you've got bills to pay and you can't obviously just quit your job like I did. You've got to obviously have some stability of income coming in. But my point is, why can't you work on a side hustle while you're doing your main job? Of course you can, because that's what I used to do when I was working my 9 to 5 job. Before I actually did move to Dubai, I used to work a 9 to 5 job, and I used to work on my online business at the same time. So yes, it's 100% possible you can do that. Now, by the way, if you do need help starting your own online business, which can generate you well over 10K a month, and that's something I'm going to help you with directly, so I can help you scale to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, well, you can either DM me on Instagram, or alternatively, you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I can see exactly how I can help you. So yeah, back to the topic of the video, your broken mindset, right? How do we actually fix your broken mindset? A lot of you guys want to achieve good things, but there's something in you that stops you from, putting in work. A lot of you guys have big aspirations. You want to help people around you, but you just don't put in the work. Or, when you come back from your 9 to 5 job, rather than actually working on your business, you start watching Netflix, you start playing video games, you start wasting time. And a lot of you guys, deep inside, you need to make a change, right? But again, it's your broken mindset stopping you from getting there. Well, let me fix that for you, okay? So let me actually tell you guys how we can fix your broken mindset. Now, number one, if you are in a position where you want to do things, you want to start an online business, and you keep procrastinating, you keep sort of pushing it further back and back and back, and you don't actually end up starting it, you don't actually end up doing it, well, let me give you the biggest hack on how you can actually do this. A lot of people, before they start an online business, before they start anything, they sit, think, okay? And then they don't actually do action. So what I want you guys to do is just start. I don't even want you to think, right? Just do small steps. Let's say you want to create content on YouTube, or even if you just create your channel and just make that an action for one day. The next day, you can start editing your about section. The day after that, you can start planning a YouTube video. The day after that, you can start filming a video. The day after that, you can start editing a YouTube video. So take things at small steps at a time. Because trust me, the reason why a lot of you guys don't actually start that is because you overthink. You think so much, and then it becomes so much work. Like you think, okay, I need to create a channel. I need to plan my video. I need to script it. I need to film it. I need to edit it. That sounds long. I'd rather just watch Netflix, right? So that's what happens to our brains. It becomes overwhelmed, and then you don't actually end up doing it. So this is why you need to start thinking small and start doing small steps at a time. Secondly, if you feel like your life is a mess, if you feel like, a lot of negative things are happening around you, let's say, you're struggling in your job and you're not making a lot of money, firstly, I need you to understand one thing. You need to be able to firstly believe in yourself, okay? A lot of people don't believe in themselves, and this is where things can go wrong. If you don't believe in yourself, you're not really going to become successful. In fact, I would argue almost every time you will never become successful. You need to have belief in yourself. So believe in yourself, understand that you can do it. Because look, guys, if I'm able to leave my 9-to-5 job and just move to Dubai and, start my own business and do quite well with it, anyone can do it. I'm just a normal person from London. So honestly, any of you guys can actually do this. You've just got to fix your mindset. So understand everything is possible, okay? Because a lot of you guys think that the only way to make 2-3 grand or 4 grand is by working 40 hours a week and by working for someone else. The only reason you think that is because your 9-to-5 job has kind of taught you that. And not only that, school has taught you that to a certain extent. Because when you go to school, it trains you to think like a 9-to-5 worker. But when you go to your 9-to-5 job, it trains you to think like a 9-to-5 worker. It trains you to think like an employee. And the reason for that is because they don't want you to leave so you can start doing something else, because they need you for that business. They need you for that company. So they offer you small incentives like, oh, we can increase your money here. Overtime's available here. You might even get a promotion, X, Y, and Z. You guys think way too small. You need to think bigger. So firstly, before you think, just do. Start with small steps. Secondly, believe in yourself. Believe that you are capable of doing anything. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm just another human being with a brain, just like you guys. You guys can do the exact same thing. If you're watching this video, trust me, you guys can do exactly the same thing. And thirdly, believe it is possible. Look, if there are people younger than me doing it, if I'm doing it, if other people are doing it, why can't you do it? Because you got to remember, these guys are just humans, just like you as well. So if they can do it, of course you can do it. And it doesn't matter what age you are, right? Even if you're young, even if you're 17, 18, 19, you can do it. Even if you're older, 35, 36, 37, you can do it. Even if you are around 48, 49, 50, at any age, you can become successful if you just decide to start. And the reason I get you guys to think everything is possible, because if you start thinking it's possible, you will start acting as if it's possible. You start taking actions as if it is possible. And then the outcomes will become possible. So you have to have that mindset that everything's going to be good. You're going to work hard and you're going to put in the effort. Another thing, right? A lot of you guys are just not resilient, okay? And look, this is the truth. Whether you like it or not, this is the truth, right? A lot of you guys are just not resilient enough. You say you want 10K a month. You say you want a good lifestyle. You say you want to help your family. You say you want to do things for everyone. Are you actually putting in the work? Like if you're working a 9-to-5 job and you're not actually putting in work on like an online business or a side hustle, then to be honest, you don't care about these people. Because if there's no effort being shown outside of a 9-to-5 job, because you yourself know very well and clearly that a 9-to-5 job isn't going to make you rich. And if you want to help these people around you, you know you've got to work on a side hustle or an online business. And if you're not doing that, then you're selfish. I'm sorry. Look, if you don't like it, that's the truth. You are selfish. So you need to work on like a side hustle or like an online business or something alongside your 9-to-5 job. And when I say you're not resilient enough, because a lot of you guys make excuses like, oh, I'm too tired after work. I work 40 hours a week and I get tired, or I've got kids and I've got to do X, Y, and Z. And a lot of you make excuses. I'll tell you for free, right? The difference between winners and losers is that winners will actually still do even if they have no time. They will find a way. Some of you guys' excuses are stupid, because I used to sleep around 1 to 2 hours a day for like a week straight just by working on my online business whilst I was working full time at my job. So it is possible. You've just got to put in the effort. The only way you guys are going to become successful, become rich, is if you fix your mindset, because your mindset, I guess you could say, is the foundation, right? Yes, you need to put in effort. Yes, you need to take action. Yes, you need to be resilient. All of these things come after your mindset is correct. If you're sitting there with a negative mindset, you're ungrateful about your life, you've got a victim mindset, and you start feeling sorry for yourself, well, I tell you for free, you will not become successful. You need to start taking action. You need to start being resilient. You need to start being mentally strong and start working towards your goal. And let me tell you one of the things that actually changed my life, right? One of the biggest things that's changed my life is investing in myself. It is one of the most underrated things that you can buy, because the ROI is always amazing. So make sure you guys invest in yourself. Now, by the way, just a quick one. If you guys do need any help, with trying to make money online and starting your own program and scaling to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, or you can either DM me on Instagram, or alternatively, you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I can see exactly how I can help you. So either way, guys, make sure you fix your mindset, make sure you fix the way you think, because honestly, that's what's going to change your life.